Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a challenge where we have to we have to guess which one of these the other person is feeding us.
And it's not just Quality Street though.
And then the person with most points wins. We don't know what the challenge will consequence will be.
Yeah, so this is going to be quite a long episode, just warning you, because we're going to do loads in one.
We tried it with George's, but he doesn't have much storage with us, do we?
No, so it's alright though. You can just do it on yours and you can send me it through text messages. I don't know, so yeah, and I'll upload it as well. But yeah, so this is going to be quite a long video, maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25. An average one for someone who's good at YouTube and has like 1 million subscribers, but we only have like 1 or 2.
Let's just get on with it.
Alright,
Can I start?
Yes, you can start. I will look away. Me dear boy. You ready?
No.
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 Are you not ready?
No. Yeah. Yeah, me.
I said, are you not ready? And you said no. Opposite.
Ready?
Is this behind me?
Ready?
No, that's expensive. That's
right.
No, this is expensive aftershave. I need to put it back. Alright.
Can't take it out.
Oh look. That is foul.
What?
It is foul. Not those triangles, is it?
What? George can't do that.
Is it a triangle?
I'm not telling you.
Triangle.
Nope. Is it a Is it one of them triangles? Triangle. No.
No, I know it's not that. I know it's not that. That don't count.
Next guess counts, no matter what, even if you go no. Okay.
I'm lifting it up and then checking. This.
What? Nope.
This. Oh, it's a fudge.
No,
it's normal chocolate.
It's this.
Is it? Can I just have one of these anyway?
Yeah. Free chocolate. Pick any one you want.
Yeah. I want the
I
clever.
love this. I love these.
Oh. Alright, let me try this and see if I can get it. Oh. No. Wait, what is this? This is poor chocolate sales. Oh. Did you see that, Joe? I don't want to camera, but tell them what just happened.
It chucked up in the air and caught it in his mouth, basically. Right, you go.
Other room. No. Right, from now on, you can do more than one. So you can do more than one now, Joe. At a time. So it has to be the same chocolate, but you can put in more than one of that chocolate.
Are you ready?
No. No. Yes. Enter the room. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And this one.
I can't get it. No.
More than one at a time, okay? It might be or it might not be. No. Well, yes, but...
It was the long one.
Yeah, it was the long one broken up into pieces. Damn, I didn't think you would get that. Right. Hit me. Make sure it's something good. No. I'm gonna hit me as in hit me up. No, hit me up as in give me a go or something. Oh, yeah. Why are you putting that thing up my butt? That thing was your foot. You're uploading this on your channel, not mine.
Move.
Right. I'm going downstairs. Call me when it's ready.
Ready?
What? Okay. BT dubs. I'm ready for you as well. Done. Close your eyes. Okay. Ready? Ow! Oh, I can't remember which one is sour.
Over here.
Hey, I'm not on camera. Not sure which one to pick first. Oh, do a whisper! I'm not sure which one that was to pick right now. Which one's my salad? G. Are we still doing the scarf from the round that was off camera?
Yeah.
Alright. How quick did you guess when I gave you 3?
Yeah, 3.
So you've got 7. And I have 9. Close there.
How much rounds have we done?
I know you've got 6.
How much rounds have we done?
You've done 4 recorded.
Okay, we need to do,
1 more.
no, 4 to 8. 4 more.
4 more, alright. So I'll probably be on 18 by the time. Well, let's go. Don't you think we've had enough chocolate though?
No.
Chocolate. He's really right. Let's see.
I'm an alcoholic.
Did you just say that on camera?
I'm an alcoholic.
He isn't.
Swear.
He isn't. His mum is not irresponsible and does not let him drink alcohol if he other place. He's just being funny as a kid does, okay? Please do not arrest his mum. Let's see how hard this chocolate is. Let's see how hard chocolate really... Let's see how hard this chocolate really is. Ow! I'm sorry. I didn't think it was that hard.
Ow.
That must have hurt.
Ow. Well, guys, thanks for watching the video. See you later.
No,
One more.
We can eat 1 more each. So just pick one and eat it.
Right.
No throwing anymore.
Okay.
Well, you can throw one at me once. No, that would be disgusting.
I've eaten it.
I feel. See you in the next video. I love you guys.
See you in the next
I love
video.
you because
See
you
you.
subscribe and like the videos. Yeah, that's why I love you. I don't love you if you mean and use hater comments.
George.
Okay.
That's revenge. Thanks for watching the video, guys.
Listen, no, 1 second. I love that to be like one of those blackouts at the end of film.
Bye, guys.